for more. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new wallet with the Coinbase Wallet extension. First, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet extension installed on your browser. You can find it on the web store of your preferred browser, like Chrome. Download and install the extension to get started. Once the extension is installed, click on its icon in your browser's toolbar to open it. You should see an option to create a new wallet. Click on this to start the setup process. You will be prompted to create a username, making it easier for them to find you and interact with you. Choose carefully as you will not be able to change it later. Once the most critical step is done, you will have another critical one, which is setting up your wallet, backing up your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is the key to your wallet and its content. The setup process will ask you to verify that you've saved your recovery phrase by asking you to input it again. This step ensures that you have correctly noted it down. Create a strong and unique password to access your wallet via the extension. This password adds an additional layer of security. After completing the above steps, your Coinbase wallet is ready to use. You can now engage in various activities like sending and receiving crypto. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.